This is TWiT.
All right, and to round us out, I'm very honored to return back to the show after being gone for 2 weeks with the honor of sharing with you the email of the week. Right on cue. It's like, oh, sweet, sweet music. Thank you, Burke, for that email of the week fanfare. And here, there you go.
I didn't know if that was going to happen.
Me too. I thought I caught him off guard. So congratulations to David Wilmore, who writes in and says, I'm a bit lagged as I just listened to All About Android 562, where Ron was talking about some of his old phones that he recently rediscovered. There were a few with rubberized plastic, which had turned sticky. There's an easy fix for that. Just take a rag, wet it with some rubbing alcohol, and wipe the plastic. It will remove the tacky feeling and restore the device feel to new. Some plastics may change texture a little bit when you do this, so beware. I hope this helps him restore his old friends. And thank you, David. I'm going to take your advice this weekend, and I'm going to de-tacky my Nexus 5, and I'm going to put it in a little shadow box frame and hang it on the wall. So thank you. I wonder if
awesome.
I could rig... this is like if I was much more crafty and did more things on YouTube and things like that. You get a little shadow box with a charger plugged into the phone that you can plug into the wall. So to keep the device on in the box and always running some sort of thing.
That would be cool. I love that.
Someone much cooler that goes to Maker Faire than I could put that together and sell it. So there's an idea.
Sure.
Just give me one when you do it. But in the meantime, thanks for that advice, David. Everybody take heed. If you have rubberized plastic that's been sitting in a box for 5 years, you can de-tacky it with rubbing alcohol, but beware, it might change the texture. And congratulations on your, as far as I know, first email of the week.
Even Burke has confirmed in our Slack, this works in all caps. So he basically yelled that to us. He said, this works!
I don't think that there's any difference between Burke. It's always yelling. It's just always yelling.
Burke is all caps all the time.